Okay, that's it. So this is actually the Alibaba Cloud console, and we can find the products in the left top corner. So you can just click this, and it goes to maybe our first product is, there's a lot of products. You can type in the keywords, and we are going to use dataworks. Okay, this is actually the main page of dataworks, and you can see if it is you're new to dataworks, I think there's a totally blank in this area. And the first thing you need to do is to create a workspace. You can open the active service in different region. Let's say in Singapore, and even in the US Silicon Valley, you can open these services by in here. And if you already open some services, it will not show the warnings. Okay, you just gave a workspace name like today's it's June. So there is a mode where you create a dataworks workspace. You can consider dataworks and the based on mass compute is actually it is a multi-tenant environment. You just create one tenant for your applications. So there is a two mode. One is basic mode, and the other is standard mode. Standard mode is what we recommended because there is a development and product environment. So developers can do the developing in the development environment, and then he submit the code to his senior management. After the review and audit of the senior management, it will approve the submission. Then it will check into the production environment. I think that's what we recommended if you are using that into production environment. Okay, there's a lot of compute engine we can choose. We can choose the max compute. We can choose the real-time compute if it's you have. We can choose the MapReduce and machine learning platform. Okay, let's first we chose this two. Display name. Resource group is it will use some resources. It will use the default resource group, which is shared by some other users. So when everything is okay, so now max compute data types. Because max compute is more like a data warehouse applications, it will you can consider it's more powerful. It is just like the Hive in the Hadoop, but it's more powerful than Hadoop. And we can, if your legacy system is based on Hive, we even have the Hive compatible type, and even 2.0 data type is have more advanced data type in this version of max compute. Okay, we create a workspace. And it may take some time to do that. Okay, now we have successfully have you switch. Make sure you have the red region. So we have this project workspace created now. So it is still updating. Okay, so while we are waiting, how about we take 10 minutes break, so you can get a drink.